Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na file path traversal, the simple case. So this lab contains a path traversal vulnerability in a display of product images. To solve the lab, retrieve the contents of Etsy password, no? So let's load the lab. And sabi yung vulnerable daw is yung image loading, no? So if we try and visit one of these images, open image in a new tab, makikita natin na may file name parameter and may value dito, no? So if we try and put etc passwd, we say na no such file, no? So maybe kailangan manggaling siya from another path. So // damihan natin etc passwd, we get a image na parang broken, no? Pero if we look at the request sa burp, we can see here na yung file name natin na // hanggang etc passwd returned the contents of the whole etc passwd file, no? And if we go back to the lab, this is already solved, no? So this is the simple case ng file path traversal wherein you just input // hanggang etc passwd and you retrieve the contents of etc passwd. Okay? So I hope na gets nyo itong lab na to and see you in the next video.